Page orientation and print preview. When you print your slides, PowerPoint sets the colors in your presentation to match the selected printer's capabilities. You can size the slides to fit different paper sizes, including letter and ledger, or you can specify a custom size. Here I will explain step by step how to use printing options. Here are the steps. Go to the Design tab, move the mouse pointer to the Page Setup group. Click on Page Setup. The Page Setup dialog box appears. This is the Slides Sized For drop-down list. It contains several paper size models. Choose the size of paper on which you will be printing. The default width and height is displayed for selected paper. For changing page orientation in the Orientation group under Slides, choose either Landscape or Portrait. Finally, click the OK button. Now we are done with setting page orientation. If you want to preview the slide, go to the Office button. Click the arrow next to Print. Then click Print Preview. To close the Print Preview window, click on Close Print Window. In this lesson, we have analyzed the print preview and uses of the page settings. Printing slides. We are familiar with aligning the page setting in order to take a print. By learning this lesson, you can become an expert in printing slides. If you want to print a slide, follow these steps. Go to the Office button. Click on the arrow next to Print. Click Print Preview. Now the Print Preview window is opened. In the Page Setup group, bring the mouse pointer to Print What. Check whether the Slides option is selected or not in the Print What item. Move the mouse pointer to the Print group. Click on Options. A pop-up window appears. From the pop-up menu, point to Color or Grayscale. Here, choose one of the choices. And finally, point to the Print group. Click on the Print command. The Print dialog box is opened. Click on the OK button. Now the printer will start to print. Print in black and white or grayscale. Most presentations are designed to be shown in color, but slides and handouts are typically printed in black and white or shades of gray called grayscale. When you print in grayscale, you get an image that contains variations of gray tones between black and white. To set the properties for printing in black and white, do the following. Go to the View tab. Move the mouse pointer to the Color Grayscale group. Click the Pure Black and White button. The new Black and White tab is displayed at the top of the PowerPoint window. It contains several colored styles. Choose one of the styles, then move the mouse pointer to the Close group, and click Back to Color View. For setting grayscale, here are the steps. Go to the View tab. Move the mouse pointer to the Color or Grayscale group. Click on Grayscale. The new Grayscale tab appears on the ribbon. Move to the Grayscale tab in the Change Selected Object group. Click the style that you want. And finally, click Back to Color View from the Close group. Now we can print a slide. Go to the Office button. Click the arrow next to Print. Click on Print Preview. In the Print group, click the arrow under Options. Point to Color Grayscale and then click Grayscale. In the Print group, click Print. And finally, click the OK button. Your selection will now print.